How to delete Coinjar account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode I'm going to show you how you can delete your Coinjar account. So in order to delete your Coinjar account, you'll have to log into your account first of all. So due to some security concern, the interface won't appear on the screen, so I'm just going to instruct you. So all you have to do is just open up your application. If you don't have an application, or if you're using a web browser, then on the search box type in Coinjar account or coinjar.com, and that's going to direct you to their official webpage, which is going to look something like this. As already mentioned, that the screen won't appear, so all you have to do is, once you're logged in, first thing first, you have to empty the balance from your Coinjar account, or you have to transfer any balance within your Coinjar to Coinjar exchange or any other external cryptocurrency address or wallet, wherever you want to do it. And then you have to update your Coinjar profile name as well, and change your full name as recorded in your Coinjar profile to deactivate your account. So once you've done that, click the deactivate account button and then request for the deactivation. If you have a clear account, then the procedure won't take long time in order to delete your or deactivate your account. So within a couple of days later, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully deactivated your account, and within certain period of days, your account will be deleted permanently. So in that way, you can delete your Coinjar account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.